Hello viewers, you're watching Jammu Links News in conversation with series. So today we have a very special guest with us who is an all-rounder. He's none other than Mr. Mayank Gupta. He is a chess player, a swimmer, a debater, an entrepreneur, an engineer, and I can go on and on. He's also the partner of the Grandstand Gastro Pub, which is located in Palm Island Mall, Akhnoor Road, Jammu. So let's know about the beautiful journey of Mayank Gupta. Hello Mayank, welcome to Jammu Links News.
Hello, thank you so much for having me, and it's a pleasure to be having this interview with you today.
It's our pleasure. So Mayank, my first question is that when did it came to your mind that you want to open a pub in Jammu?
Well, frankly, I'll have to admit that it was not my brainchild. It was my two elder brothers, Karthik Gupta and Dhruv Malhotra's brainchild. This was back in 2010 that they realized that Jammu lacks a pub, a good nightlife outlet, and that is when the idea germinated. And while I was in Delhi for about 6 years, this is when this idea took. This is what gave impetus to the idea that we must open such a place. We have that particular taste, and that Jammu was at that point open to the idea of having this place.
Okay, and you did engineering, right?
Yeah.
So when did this idea came that after engineering you thought of being an entrepreneur in Jammu and not opening a venture in some other place? Why only Jammu?
So after completion of my civil engineering, I did work in Delhi Metro Rail Corporation for a bit, and that is when I realized that maybe I was not built for such a MNC culture or a corporation culture. So I decided to come back to Jammu, and by this time this project was already in the pipeline. That is when I got very involved in it, and it has worked out pretty decent.
Okay, so the Grandstand, it is a very unique concept and everything is very unique. Nothing in Jammu is like a replica of any other thing. So what was the idea behind it, and why after engineering you wanted to open such a thing in Jammu?
So basically I have myself been a sports enthusiast. I have been a swimmer myself, and more than that, I love to watch a lot of sports on television. Cricket, I think entire India is united, and in fact I would feel sports is one thing which can unite the entire world. It can break national barriers, it can break language barriers. People from across the border still love Sachin Tendulkar. So that was the thought that so our tagline says where fans unite with their sport. So the idea behind opening the sports bar was that it was a place where people can be engaged while they eat and they drink and they enjoy with their family and friends. At the same time, we have a couple of pool tables, beer pong, foosball, air hockey, just to keep the people engaged while they're there.
सो मयंक, द ग्रैंड स्टैंड एक बहुत यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट है और ये बहुत नया है जम्मू के लोगों के लिए. तो आप मुझे बताइए लोगों ने कैसा रिस्पांस किया, क्या उनको पसंद आया, क्या लोग आते थे उस ग्रैंड स्टैंड में? तो पूरा जर्नी बताया अभी तक का.
सो इनिशियली मैं खुद थोड़ा सा स्केप्टिकल था, डरा हुआ था कि हाउ विल पीपल ऑफ जम्मू टेक दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. एक ओपन बार का कॉन्सेप्ट अलॉन्ग विद अ फैमिली रेस्टोरेंट, इट वाज अनहर्ड ऑफ हियर. यहाँ पे जनरली सेग्रीगेशन होती थी कि जहाँ बार होती है वहाँ पे फैमिलीज नहीं आती, बट वी वांटेड टू ब्रेक दैट कल्चर, एंड आई वाज मोर देन प्लेजेंटली सरप्राइज्ड that the people of Jammu accepted it wholeheartedly. We got a tremendous response, a response which even I was personally not expecting. And we have received so much love that currently we are the highest rated nightlife outlet in Jammu, which is a big deal for us. We are in the TripAdvisor top 10 restaurants in Jammu in just a matter of 1.5 years. So I personally consider ourselves lucky, and I want to thank the people of Jammu through your platform for the tremendous love that they've shown to us, and I hope that it continues. And one more thing is that we received such good feedback, some of it positive, some of it negative, but we've used it to grow continuously, and we've come a long way from where we started, but we still have a long way to go. So I really look forward to that journey.
Okay, and Mayank, you are so good in sports, like in chess, swimming, and you are everywhere. You are not leaving any sport, anything. So you added this in your restaurant also.
Yes.
So what was the idea behind it?
So growing up, I have personally been to a couple of sports bars within and outside the country.
Okay.
I see that a sports bar engages people in a way that no other particular theme can engage.
Okay.
It is one thing where you give people something to do. If you come there on a Friday evening, you will see maybe a 70-year-old playing foosball with an 8-year-old kid, and that's a beautiful thing to see, that how generations can bond over one sport. जिन लोगों को पूल की स्टिक पकड़नी भी नहीं आती वो भी वहां पे आके
Right,
यूज
yeah.
करते हैं. they are very happy to see that.
Okay.
Ladies playing pool and all of that. So we wanted to break that culture जो एक था थोड़ा सा एक restriction एक segregation का जो culture था. We wanted to break that and I feel we've been able to do that to some extent.
Okay, and who is your motivation? Like, who is your idol in your career, in personal life and in career? Who is?
Well, personally, I have always idolized both of my parents
Okay.
for their individual facets. My father is, I think, an epitome of patience.
Okay.
What I learned from him is that if you be patient, time takes care of few things on itself.
Exactly.
And we must not underestimate our own potential. That is what he has taught me. That आप अपना 100% करो and response आपको मिलेगा. Whether it is in terms of appreciation, whether it is in terms of business. And my mother is, I would feel, our pillar of strength in our household. She has excelled herself in her personal and professional life, and she continuously inspires us to do better. She is always after it कि next क्या कर रहे हो और next मतलब how are you upping your game. Don't go on a plateau, that don't stop कि अब अच्छा चल गया है तो बैठ जाओ. She is always after our life कि next, what is the next thing in mind.
So in this pandemic, how was it difficult for you to like shutting down that?
Well, with a very heavy heart, we had to close down business because we had specific instructions to do that.
Okay.
I feel all businesses were very badly hit. I think no sector has been left unturned. But hospitality has to be one sector which has taken the worst brunt, and it will continue. People don't call me an optimist myself, but I feel it will continue up till next year. The economic effect on hospitality sector. But we'll be back very soon. We are looking to start operations in the next few weeks. Processes are already on. The outlet is being slightly redone to refit the COVID measures, and we are looking forward to having people over again and having a good time again.
So मयंक, recently आपने अपना accounting and finance course complete किया है IIM Bangalore से, which itself is a big deal.
Thank you.
And BNI, talking about BNI, what is exactly BNI and what is the role of BNI? We want to know that.
So Business Network International, it is an organization. It's a referral program basically, which has 270,000 members in 74 countries. So it's a huge network to have, where we build on where business owners connect with other business owners to give each other business. So basically the crux of the matter is that I pass a business referral to you, and then you get some business and then you share it back with me.
Okay.
So we are already 100 strong in Jammu, and our motto for Jammu is to change the way Jammu does business.
Okay.
So it is a referral program which is really picking up. We have done over 8 crores worth of business already. So I think this is the future for entrepreneurs. We must all connect. It is an intellectual organization. Where we discuss policies and we work on how to take them
Yes,
forward.
you were nominated as the president of BNI also. And
Yes.
how did that happen?
So I joined the organization only during the pandemic, and in the online platform. Earlier we used to have physical meetings.
Okay.
So when I joined it, I was myself not very sure. But having attended a few meetings, I realized that what potential it had and how my business could grow with it.
Okay.
So when I started taking active role, I was then nominated very recently as the president of BNI Benchmark, which is one of the 3 chapters which is working in Jammu.
Okay.
So I hope that I can take it forward over the next 6 months.
So Mayank, how do you stand out as a venture?
So we are the largest and the first theme-based restaurant in Jammu.
Okay.
And we introduced to Jammu the concept of molecular gastronomy. That is, we work on the physical and chemical properties of foods to give it a new feel and a new taste. And we also introduced to Jammu its first wood-fired pizza and craft cocktails. So we were doing a lot of things before the pandemic gave us a great pause. But not to worry, dear members and dear viewers. Very soon we are going to be back with your favorite menus, reworked and redone, to give you the best experience that you've always enjoyed.
So any message you want to convey to the budding entrepreneurs who look forward to you and want to be the entrepreneurs?
So to all fellow entrepreneurs, people who are starting their journey or did start their journey before this great pause, have a lot of faith in yourself. You are not alone during this period. I think everybody is not facing the best of times business wise. So have faith in yourself, have patience, innovate. I think it is the time to innovate, work on low cost structures. I think only businesses and people who have low fixed costs will survive this period, and this period is all about survival. I feel if you survive for the next 6 months, then after that there is no stopping you as an entrepreneur and no stopping India's growth as a country.
सो दिस वॉज मयंक गुप्ता, जिन्होंने हमें बताया द ग्रैंड स्टैंड पब के बारे में और बताया कि व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज़ ऑफ एन एंटरप्रेन्योर एंड हाउ यू कैन बी अ बडिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर. थैंक यू. यू वर वॉचिंग जम्मू लिंक्स न्यूज़. थैंक यू.